Welcome to the first tutorial video of Finlens. Once you have created an account on Finlens and have received admin rights, we advise you to start by setting up the platform settings of your platform. To access the platform settings, be sure to be logged in with an account having admin rights and then go to the admin section under Platform Settings. By clicking on the Edit button, you can customize the default product disclaimer. This disclaimer will be displayed if you have not specified a specific product disclaimer. Additionally, you have the option to add an ombudsman text as well as activate investor profile checks. This feature ensures that platform visitors can only access products suitable for their domicile and investor type. The specific access restrictions for each product can be specified in the admin section under Products. We will cover this topic in detail in the upcoming tutorial video. But as an admin, you can decide whether to enable or disable the overall access restrictions via profile checks here. In addition to specifying general compliance features, the Platform Settings section allows admin users to create product manager roles. These roles can be assigned to specific users in the subsection List of Users. A role requires a name and a selection of one or more products. Users assigned with a role will have access to and can manage the admin and fact sheet sections, but only for the selected list of products. Once a role is created and saved, simply navigate to the list of users, choose the desired user to be assigned as a manager, and click on Change Roles to finalize the changes. This concludes the quick overview of the Platform Settings subsection. We hope you found it insightful. Please note that to access this subsection within the admin area, you must have admin user rights. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.